Matthias. Daniel, the co-founder of GTM Brigade here. I want to show you how we are able to generate some really great results using our tool GTM Brigade in combination with Sendpilot. So here, the first 3 campaigns, these ones are made up using GTM Brigade plus Sendpilot, this combination. As you can see, we have on average of 22-23% reply rate to these campaigns. I want to share with you some more campaigns. So here you should be able to see 30% reply rate, 27.9 reply rate, another 18% reply rate. So all of these campaigns, this one haven't started yet, the second one here. So all of these campaigns are built using the same approach. We have a targeted list of ideal customer profiles. There are multiple ways you can build that list. I'm not going to talk about this, but we have a list of targeted ideal customer profiles. Let's say we have 500 people. We take this list of relevant people and we include them all in GTM Brigade and we create a custom feed. Here in this custom feed, we include all of these 500 people who fit our ideal customer profile. And every time one of them makes a post, we are able to see it here. So there's no endless scrolling. There's no nonsense content. There are no ads here in this custom feed. There are only the people who fit your ideal customer profile. And every time they make a post, what you can do is to engage with their content. You can like and comment, okay, to their posts. We're not selling. We're never selling. We never recommend people to sell in the comments. The idea with the comments is to show up in their feed. This is a great way to build visibility in front of the people who are super relevant, who are your ICPs. And you place one comment, 2, 3, 5 comments, whatever. And these people, they get to know you. You become visible. And the last thing is you take the same 500 people, you place inside this custom feed on GTM Brigade, and then you include them in this Sendpilot outreach campaigns. And the results are really good. So out of this, so we have 19%, 26%, 19% again. Half of these people, not all of them, are interested to use our tool or our solution. And actually, these are some of our campaigns here. And as you can see, here we have other campaigns from other clients of ours, okay? So we're talking about different industries, different audiences. It works for every type of industry, every type of audience. These are our campaigns, but we have other examples as well. But the idea is super simple. You have the list of ICPs, you place relevant comments to them consistently, and then you include the same type of people, the same people, you include them in these outreach campaigns. And for example, our sequence, it's really simple. There's no complicated sequence. We only use one very simple message for every campaigns, okay? So some of them, okay, yeah, sure, tell me what it is, thank you, I'll explore this, yes. So not all of them are interested, but most of them, they are really interested. And out of these numbers here, out of, I don't know, 29 people who replied, on average, close to 50% of them, they are interested. They create an account with us, with GTM Brigade. And this, again, happens. This is an app. Okay, this is a B2C app. And they have, I don't know, 70 replies so far. And they had close to 50 signups in their app. So this is what I wanted to show you. I believe there's a big opportunity for us to join forces. We already have clients. We recommend that some of our clients to use Sendpilot and set up these automated outreach campaigns. I think it would be a great opportunity to join forces and spread the word about GTM Brigade as well for your users. And I'm happy, of course, we are happy to offer any assistance they might need. Let me know your thoughts about this.